Alright, hi guys, another progress video here. Hopefully these are helping you understand where we're at. So I guess first I'll go ahead and re-go through what we've got. So I'll go ahead and make a new project real quick. We'll call this one beta. You go to import data button. So first it asks you which project you'd like to go to. Select beta. Where are the step files? So I've got some in here. Let's see, select a bill of materials. I've got one in here that links up with that. And we've got no errors. Everything went through there. So then I've got two options, or a couple options actually. So first, we'll open up the project. And just like before, you can see we've got the list. And you can sort by the different columns. And you can see, I put some of those, some of that data back in. The other option is we still have the tree. So you can see same data is there, and then based on the assemblies, so I can bring up the bill of materials and you can see, engine assembly, then sub-assemblies, they're all there. And the new thing that I've got is that now when you double click on one of these, it will now open up whatever that file was in the viewer. So I chose the engine assembly, so this is the biggest one, so it'll take just a second to render, but there it is in eDrawings, which is actually the viewer that Dassault makes. So go ahead and throw that there. But you can also open up, all the littler pieces. There it is. You got that, and then you can see that's part of another assembly. So I can open up the higher assembly from there. You can see that's in there. And you can open up as many of these windows as you want. You can see with the eDrawings one, you can choose a perspective, or you can choose your perspective. You can move pieces out of it. You can do an explode. And then of course you can navigate it just like you would CATIA. There's also a section view guy in there if you want to be able to look at that ever. Go ahead and close that for now though. Some things about the program itself. So I have the assumption that the first three columns will always be name, quantity, and is it revision? No, it's not revision. And type telling you if it's an assembly or a part. And then everything else I'm just calling metadata. It can be whatever you're given regardless of version. For the whole document, I have it so that whatever you have in this metadata field names, which is the top of one of the class files, whatever whatever variables you put in here, so I could add another one right here and it will add it throughout the whole document. So it's pretty easy to change up what data you want. Let me see. Got some images. So in 4 and 5, this is how the bill of materials is laid out. So it's analyze bill of materials. I accidentally cut that off in the screenshot. But you've got your assembly and sub-assemblies. And if you click on that define formats guy, it'll let you decide what you want of all of these options basically. And you can change the order however you want as well. So again, this is where I have the assumption that it starts with part number, which is also the name, and then goes to type, and then goes to